Hello everyone, very good morning. Welcome back to our Streak initiative. If you have not registered for Streak yet, you can register. It's free and you can access the study material. The link is in the description box. So today there is a change in the plan. From today onwards, I will provide you the exact daily routine. Today your target is to study for 8 hours 30 minutes, out of which devote 4 hours to your GS paper, that is ancient history, 3 hours to your optional, and 1 hour 30 minutes to your current affairs. It will vary on day to day basis. Now see how we have to devote. First 45 minutes, I mean when you get up and you go for your study, read newspaper for 45 minutes. Then after that focus on your optional. Try to cover the optional for the entire 3 hours. Then your lunch break, if your lunch is late or you get up early, then you can also cover some portion of your ancient history. Otherwise, lunch. After lunch, start with ancient history and devote 2 hours to it. That will complete your first chapter. Today I have devoted you two chapters as a target. Then you can devote another 45 minutes to current affairs by Sevil's Daily app, and you can just go through the compilations of various newspapers from there. Then again devote another 2 hours to ancient history. So this is your breakdown for today. Your target is to study 8 hours 30 minutes. That's all you have to do. After that, it's all yours. If you are able to complete this target, do whatever you want. If you want to continue with your reading, if you want to complete your optional, if you want to watch anything, do it. You are free. Your only target is to complete 8 hours 30 minutes and complete all these targets that have been assigned to you. Just one more thing, devote 4 hours before lunch and 4 hours after lunch. So this will be a perfect combination. Now let's see what is the target for today. As we are covering ancient India, today you have to cover Aryans and Rig Veda. This chapter will consume 2 hours. It's a 2-hour reading where you have to focus on tribal conflicts, material life, tribal polity, tribes and family, social division and gods. Then next chapter is later Vedic phase. This will also take 2 hours. Here read about the expansion, PGW, iron phase culture and later Vedic economy, political organizations, social organizations, gods, rituals and philosophy. This is your ancient history target. Apart from that, do study your optional and current affairs from newspaper as well as Civil Study app. Working experience in geography, cover atmosphere. Since you have different bandwidth, that's why I'm not allotting you any time to you. You can allot your time according to your convenience. This is the target for today, guys. All the best.